Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th till 13th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now so let's see what is there for my Aquarians for the coming week from 7th till 13th. All right, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so your overall present energies right now is the Magician. So the situation is basically something like where you start manifesting about something. It can be anything. Okay, it might be your home life, your work life, whatever, your love life as well. So it's kind of some kind of manifestation, some kind of magic going on. Not that kind of a magic I'm saying. It's more about, internal, might be telepathy of something. You are talking to, you are thinking about someone, and it's kind of a telepathy, I would say. So this is that kind of manifestation where you are trying to connect to someone. You want a person in your life, but the issue is Knight of Wands. This might be a person in your life or situation which is not very serious. Okay, not a very serious kind of a person, or not a permanent situation, I would say. So in that thing where you are trying to be very permanent, very long term, you want long term things, but the other person or this situation is right now for you, for which you are thinking, it might not be very much of a permanent situation. Okay, see, in your head as well, with the 10 of Pentacles, it's like you are wanting that a particular big moment in your life, a happy family card. See how beautiful they are, happy with each other. A very beautiful card this is. I love this deck. Your past energy is 3 of Pentacles, so you have already been working for this relationship or this work or the situation in which you are in. You have already worked upon it a lot, and now you are wanting that things might turn the way you actually want them to turn. Queen of Swords as your energies with the base of the reading. So I'm really getting that somebody over here might have said no. It's a no, it's a truth card. Okay, where somebody might have understood that you know the true things, you know the true feelings of someone, but still you just want something to happen to make them yours, something like that. Okay, the moon in your future energies, things will be still hidden for some time, because the situation for which you are dealing, in which you are dealing with, might not be the same as what actually happens around you. It's not the whole truth. The whole truth is sometimes is hidden, so you really need to get into that hidden things. 10 of Cups as your energy, present energy. See, the 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, it's like you are fulfilled, you are content. But what about the opposite party? What about the situation in front of you? You are thinking that everything is fine, you are happy, you are content, you are wanting them in your life, you are wanting things to happen your way. But what about the other people around you? How people see you as a judgment. People see you as the one that you need to take a decision. Okay, they see you as that you are the one who needs to take a decision, not them. So basically this is something like it's all because of you. Whatever will happen, if we are meant to get married, if we are meant to be separated, if we are meant to just do the things, it's all because of you. All the things are on your side right now. 6 of Cups as the hopes and fears. This might be a past person in your life, so that is why you are still feeling that. See this card, this is such a beautiful card, isn't it? How this person, it's like memories, they are older, they have grown up together, and see their past life. A very beautiful card this is. So this is telling me that this might be a past person of yours, and all you want is to just, you're manifesting to just get that person back. It might be a very beautiful situation in your past, like it might be a hobby of yours as well. You wanted that thing to happen in your past when you were a child, and now you want it again. So this is that kind of a situation. Ten of Swords as the final outcome with the moon. So you really don't know what exactly is going to happen, so just be aware around you. All I can say to you right now. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see why the Magician is here in the current situation. The Chariot and the Six of Pentacles. The situation is really looking fine. Okay, it's like moving on. It's like a give and take relationship, a very beautiful loving relationship when you both, where you both want to move on. But it's more about the feeling. The action has not been taken yet. It's from your side. This is what you are manifesting. You are manifesting that everything should be same, everything goes the way it is meant to be, but you don't know the actual truth, because the problem is the Knight of Wands. Might be you are dealing with an Aries over here, Aries, Sag or Leo. But this is the problem, that somebody over here is not serious. Not serious kind of a person. Okay, what else? Three of Swords with the Nine of Wands. So you have to be aware. If somebody is trying to block you, if somebody is actually showing that they don't love you or something like that, if somebody is ignoring you, okay, is trying to ghost you, so you have to be aware with that person. Let's see Ten of Pentacles in your focus right now. Why the Ten of Pentacles is here? Focus of Aquarians. Ten of Pentacles, please. Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the High Priestess. All right. So here's the situation. Your focus is all on the good stuff, but what is going behind your back, you don't even know that. It's like it's you who are thinking about the future, who are thinking about the good stuff in your life, but what is happening behind you? See, somebody is actually trying, making a plan to deceive you. Might be someone whom you really care about, might be someone with whom you really, just be all day, and you always think that this person is your everything. So sometimes you always get betrayals from the loved ones. So this might be a family member of yours with the Ten of Pentacles. All right, so this is all the energies which I'm getting over here. It's more about, when you always start thinking about the good stuff, when you start ignoring about the small bad things, like this person said this to me, what was the motive behind that thing, and we just ignore. So stop ignoring. Okay, if things are really happening the way, like if you are feeling, because the High Priestess talks about intuition as well, and if you are not listening to your intuition, my God, Aquarius, you are going to be in a big trouble. The Moon as well is telling me that thing in your future. It's like the things are really hidden and you have to wake up now. It's a wake up call, seriously. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords in your base of the reading. Queen of Swords, please. Death, Three of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. I'm really getting that this is somebody from your past. This is a past situation which actually took a rebirth, you would say. It's like it was ended a long time ago. It might be 7 to 8 years back, and again this person appeared, or this thing appeared again in your life. And because you were also manifesting for that thing, you were also thinking, you were waiting for that situation, that person again in your life, and you have put a lot of efforts for that person to come back. You were busy for the while, but still, at the back of the mind, it's always about this person, that will they come back. But it was always a no from their side, and the things were really ended. But it was you who started those things. But and you think that if we are meant to be together, we will be, and that is why God has put us again together right now. But still, you have to think about the situation. It might be not the way you are thinking. Okay, so just be aware. That is what I want to tell you. Let's see the judgment in how they see you, how people see you. What is the judgment over here? So many cards. 9 of Cups. So somebody sees you as a wishful person, a person, a dreamy person, a person whom they always wished for. Somebody really likes you over here, but it's like you have to take a decision. They're always putting on you. That is what I'm getting. Let's see 6 of Cups, 5 of Swords. So I told you, if the past has come again, if there's a reconciliation for you over here, it does not has to be a good reconciliation. All right, it does not has to be a positive meeting again. If you are thinking it, so you just have to be aware and just look at the signs around you. Do not ignore anything. Let's see the 10 of Swords and the Moon together, Queen of Swords and the King of Pentacles. So one person over here is like, no, I cannot, I just cannot, we just cannot be together. Okay, it's a no from someone's, because they are taking the decision from the mind. Okay, the heart is switched off. And someone else over here is like, no, I want this stable decision, I want this person back. But things are really contradictory over here. The things are not same. Things are not same. The person has changed. They have changed a lot. Okay, so I think that's all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. I'm sorry, did I say Capricorns? I meant Aquarius. Bye.